We used to fight about money all the time. I'm talking about arguments over everything from a $5 coffee to a new pair of shoes. We loved each other, but financially we were on different planets. And the tension was so thick you could cut it with a credit card. It felt like a constant tug-of-war, not because of the money itself, but because we had totally different goals and fears. We had no shared vision. But then we stumbled upon a 5-part system that didn't just stop the fights, it got us on the same team. Money went from being our biggest problem to the tool we use to build our dream life together. And today, we're sharing that exact system with you. Section 1, Strategy 1, the monthly State of the Union meeting. All right, the first and honestly most crucial strategy is what we call our State of the Union meeting. Look, most money problems aren't money problems. They're communication problems. Shh. You can't build an empire together if you're not even talking. So, once a month, we sit down for a dedicated money date. This isn't a time for finger-pointing or arguing. It's a CEO meeting for your life. First, we review the past month. We look at our income, our expenses, and see where our money actually went. No judgment, just data. Then, we look ahead. We talk about any big expenses coming up, and most importantly, we check in on our big, exciting goals. This one meeting keeps us perfectly aligned and turns managing money into a team sport. It's the foundation for everything else. Section 2. Strategy 2, the yours, mine, and ours system. So once you're talking, the next big question is always, should we combine our bank accounts? We landed on a hybrid approach that gives you both teamwork and freedom. The yours, mine, and ours system. This was a total game changer for us. Here's the breakdown. We have one joint ours account. Our paychecks land here, and all our shared life, like the mortgage, utilities, groceries, joint savings, gets paid from this account. To keep it fair, we contribute proportionally based on our incomes. Then we each have our own personal yours and mine accounts. Every month, an agreed-upon amount of fund money gets automatically transferred into our separate accounts. And just like that, the stupid little fights over a latte or a new video game were gone. Section 3, Strategy 3, the dream board goal setting. You can't hit a target you can't see. Our third strategy is all about getting on the same page with your goals and shifting from a mindset of scarcity to one of possibility. We make this fun. We sit down and literally dream together. What do we want in the next year? A vacation. In 5 years, a down payment on a house? And what's the big one? What does our dream of financial independence actually look like? Once you've defined that shared destination, every financial choice becomes simpler. That budget stops feeling like a straitjacket and starts feeling like a roadmap. Trust me, having a huge, exciting goal you're both sprinting toward makes the tough money conversations so much easier. Section 4, Strategy 4, the guilt-free spending fund. This next one is a beautiful side effect of the yours, mine, and our system, and it is a relationship saver. That money in your individual yours and mine accounts. That's your guilt-free spending fund. You can spend it on absolutely whatever you want. No questions asked. Seriously? Want to buy a ridiculous sweater? Go for it. A fancy dinner with your friends? Done. This one simple rule is so liberating. It completely erases any feeling of being judged or controlled for your personal spending. It respects the fact that even though you're a team, you're still individuals. That kind of trust and respect is just as important as your net worth. Section 5, Strategy 5, the automation strategy. Finally, the secret to making all of this practically effortless is automation. You shouldn't have to rely on heroic amounts of willpower every single day to build wealth. So we automate everything. The day we get paid, automatic transfers shoot money from our joint account straight into our emergency fund, our investment accounts, and our guilt-free spending accounts. We also automate all our bill payments to dodge late fees and set up automatic extra payments to crush any high-interest debt. Automation puts your entire financial plan on autopilot, making sure you're hitting your goals month after month without even thinking about it. So let's recap the State of the Union meeting to get on the same page. For yours, mine, and ours. System for financial harmony, dream board goal setting to create a shared vision. The guilt-free spending fund for personal freedom, and the automation strategy to make it all happen on autopilot. Putting these 5 strategies into place completely transformed our financial life. And more importantly, our relationship. We went from being adversaries to being an unstoppable team. This system can do the exact same thing for you, turning money from a source of stress into the very tool you use to build your dream life together. If you get some value out of this video, do drop us a comment on which of these 5 strategies are you most excited to try first. See you in the next video.